Welcome! If you want to make sure anyone can mention you on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to allow everyone to mention your account, so you never miss a shout-out, tag, or conversation. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Tap on it to open up a list of options. From here, select Your Activity. This section gives you a snapshot of your interactions and settings on Instagram. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Tags. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, at the top of the Tags page, you'll see 3 dots. Tap those 3 dots to bring up more settings related to tags and mentions. You'll notice an option called Manage Setting. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can control who can mention you on Instagram. Under the section that says Who can mention you, you'll see several choices. To allow everyone to mention you, simply select the option that says Allow mentions from everyone. Once you make this selection, your changes are saved automatically, and you're all set. Now, anyone on Instagram can mention your username in their stories, comments, and posts, making it easier for friends, followers, and even new people to connect with you. That's it. Quick, simple, and effective. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.